Hello dear students. In this presentation, you will witness an opportunity to make your career in one of the most rewarding and interesting industries by opting for the course of BVoc in Hospitality and Tourism Management. But first, let me tell you more about the industry. Hospitality and tourism industry is a multi-million dollar industry. It is one of the most important source of foreign exchange and employment generation globally. This industry spans over 4 broad categories including lodging, food and beverage, travel and tourism, and event and recreation. Based on these categories, one can enter any of the subsets. So what are the exciting features of the industry? This industry provides excellent job opportunities across the globe. It is an exciting field that offers international work environment. There is scope of great career advancement in short period of time. This career provides stable employment under any circumstances. And there is immense possibility for diverse career opportunities and entrepreneurial ventures. Now I will give you a glimpse of what we have to offer in this course. BVoc or Bachelor's of Vocation in Hospitality and Tourism Management has a brilliantly designed course structure that focuses on the holistic development of the students and makes them ready for this amazing industry. The first year, the Diploma in Hospitality and Tourism Management offers subjects like Fundamentals of Hospitality Industry, Human Resource Management for Hospitality Industry, Basics of Travel and Tourism, Tour Packaging, Entrepreneurship Development, Financial Accounting, and there is an excellent balance of practical and theoretical subject. Following years includes subjects like F&B service, production, bakery, event management, etc. For the all-round growth and development of our students, we regularly organize activities like celebration of World Tourism Day, workshops and training by industry experts, internships at the best organization, guest lectures by experts in the field, educational trips, field visits. All these provides great exposure. Now, what are the job opportunities after you complete the course? You have excellent opportunities to join hotel operations in departments of front office, room division, F&B, housekeeping. Also, management job opportunities like HR, marketing, public relations, customer relations are available. Excellent opportunities in the event industry, followed by food and beverage, catering industry, commercial establishments, online startups, other roles like hospitality consultancy, project management, and of course, entrepreneurial ventures in any of the main or allied fields of hospitality and tourism. So the scope is immense. I invite you all to join this course and come with us on this exciting journey of creating your own niche in this industry.